Holmatro Airbag lift kit. Here we got 2 bags, different sizes for different jobs. We got a SCBA bottle, we got a controller, regulator, 2 pigtails with shut-off valves on them, and 2 hoses. So what we'll do is we're gonna set this up and show you how to link everything together. This specific set can be used with also a compressor rather than the bottle. The bottle is more versatile in case you need it for different types of situations where you can't access the actual hose. So you take the bottle and all this and you can pretty much do everything you need to do. So first what we'll do is we're gonna hook up our regulator here. Once we got our regulator hooked up, obviously you first wanna make sure you got air in the bottle. Before you take the bottle, make sure you got air in it. Once we get that regulator hooked up, we're gonna take one of our hoses here and we're gonna hook it up right to the bottle, right here. We're gonna take our controller's gonna hook up right here. These are all quick connects, so all you have to do is stick them in there and then easily pop right off. All right, once we have that set, we're gonna take one of our airbags, and take our second hose here, another quick connect. Actually hook up one of our pigtails here, same thing, quick connect. Nice and easy. Once we get the system all hooked up here, we can now turn the bottle on. Same thing, when we turn these bottles on, we want to turn them on all the way. All right, this is the regulator, so you could adjust the pressure that you need for the job that you're doing. So now we're all hooked up, we got air. Now we're ready to inflate. We got 2 gauges here. This is so you can do 2 bags at the same time. If you need to raise one side and lower another, you can do so. For these purposes, we're just gonna hook up the one. So there's a positive and a negative. The positive will give you air and inflate the airbag, and then to deflate it, same thing. We hit the negative and the bag will deflate. The good thing with these pony lines, these little pigtails here, once you inflate the airbag, then shut it off and actually just disconnect it and the bag will stay inflated. All right, here is the shut off valve. All right, I'm gonna hit the quick connect. All right, so now we need to put air back in it or deflate it. We can do so. Say we need to hook up another bag, there's on and off switch here, we'll turn it off. Being that it's this way, we know the ball valve is shut. If it's this way, we know it's flowing air into it. So we'll shut it, disconnect, and now this one could be disconnected and you could utilize this and hook this up to another bag. There are many different options here when you do use this type of equipment. There's a lot of vendors out there. This is just the equipment that my department uses here. And that's pretty much it. To break this place down, we could open up the valve, then you just get some free flowing air. All right, once the air is all out, disconnect that, disconnect this, shut this bottle off, and you could just bleed that line out. And that's it.